In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change prices on Shopify. If you're running an online store, knowing how to adjust your product pricing is crucial for adapting to market demands, applying discounts, or simply keeping your catalog up to date with your cost structure. Let's dive into the process step by step, ensuring you feel comfortable with each part of the procedure. To begin, you'll want to head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're there, you'll find yourself at the My Store homepage. This central hub is where you manage everything related to your Shopify store, from orders to analytics, and of course, products. Next, locate the Products tab in the left-hand side menu. Clicking on this will bring you to a comprehensive list of all the products you are currently offering in your store. This page is crucial as it consolidates all your inventory in one place, making it easy to scroll through and manage each item individually. Find the product you want to adjust the price for. In our tutorial, we're looking at Example Shirt 2. Click on the product name and you'll be taken to the next screen with all the product details laid out. This is where you'll manage everything specific to this product, from the description and images to the pricing and inventory. Focus on finding the pricing section, which is usually located towards the middle of the product page. Clicking on this will open up a detailed view where you can adjust various pricing options for your product. In the pricing section, you'll come across a field labeled Compare at Price. This is an effective tool for setting a regular retail price that allows customers to see any ongoing promotions or discounts at a glance. If you ever run sales, set a price here that's higher than your current sale price. This way, your customers can see the savings they're getting. Beneath the Compare at Price, you will also find an option for Cost per Item. Enter the amount it costs you to procure or make this product. This transparency helps you keep track of your profit margins directly within the Shopify platform and aids in pricing your items competitively, yet profitably. Once you've made all your adjustments, don't forget to save your changes to ensure everything is updated on your live store. Remember to revisit this data periodically, especially if your market conditions change or your costs shift. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to change prices on your Shopify store. With these tools at your disposal, you are now empowered to keep your pricing dynamic and in step with the demands of your business landscape. If you found this guide helpful or have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials.